Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another update video. As y'all can see, I got 2s and 7s on the truck now. OG Denali reps on 37 grabs. Just traded for these. I had some 6s and 5s. G13s. I'll throw a picture of them in this video to show y'all, but these are what I got now. I'm happy with them. The backs are a little lower than the front, so I ain't gonna lie. They still got tread. I'm gonna probably run these for another month or so, and I'm gonna get on wides for the summer because I've been wanting wides. But I really do like the way these look. It's definitely my favorite setup I've had so far. I need to wash them. They're real dirty, as you can see. Well, let me find a better one. Yeah, I really need to wash the inside of them before they start pitting, because they really don't have no pitting. They're about flawless. They're literally flawless other than the tread in the back. But yeah, I'm happy with them. I just want to update y'all, show y'all what I got now. I think they're clean. Still got some more plans for the truck. I ain't had the time or money to do yet, but I'm gonna get it done soon and I'll show y'all. So let me know what type of content y'all want to see. The 4-wheeler's broke, but I can start vlogging and stuff. I really need to get back into YouTube, so y'all let me know what y'all want to see. But yeah, thank y'all and peace out.